Welcome! In front of me I have HAYLOU GS watch, and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this device. Before we start, if you want to set up the alarm clock on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HAYLOU Phone application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue and open the HAYLOU Phone application on our phone. In the app, let's tap on the Me icon, then select our HAYLOU GS from the list of devices, and on this page scroll down and find the option called Alarm Clock. Tap on it, and here we can set up the alarm clocks. As you can see, we have a couple of the alarm clocks, pre-existing ones basically, and we can turn them on and off by tapping on the switch next to them. We can edit them by tapping on one, and here we can change the time on which the alarm should go off by swiping up and down on hours and minutes. We can also tap on when to repeat to select the days on which the alarm should be active. And we have options like every Monday to Friday, daily, and custom. If you select the every Monday to Friday, of course it's gonna ring only on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. If you select the daily option, it's gonna ring every day. If you select custom, you can select the specific days like this by tapping on them and then tapping on the check mark. And below the when to repeat, we have label, and basically we can assign the label to the alarm so we can recognize it. And once you're done customizing the settings, tap on the check mark to confirm. And here we have it. If you want to add a new alarm clock, you can also do it by tapping on the plus button, set the settings, then tap confirm, and here we have it. And if you want to remove the alarm, simply press and hold on one and tap on confirm, like this. And once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.